Yet again, it is a very interesting topic. Let's go through this. So I welcome you again. First of all, we'll see that how this ozone is being formed. So basically, ozone is a layer. We'll discuss that what is. First of all, let's see how this ozone is formed. So ozone is all like it is formed by the three oxygen atom. Ozone is formed, and the formula of ozone is H3. So it is a highly reactive gas. It is a very highly reactive gas that is like present in the atmosphere, and it will basically this is present and this is man-made. The good thing is that like not good, but it's like not. I don't have words, but I guess this is like nothing, but it is a man-made. Yes, of course, when it is man-made, so of course it's a very hazardous gas, so it's like a not good thing. That is in the higher atmosphere of the surface. Like it is a man-made, and it is present where? It is present in the layer of the atmosphere. The name of the layer is stratosphere. We have 5 layers, so the second one is our stratosphere. Stratosphere is the layer where this ozone is present. So like ozone have both our positive impact and the negative impact depending on its location. So let us see that how this ozone will do. So ozone is the interaction. It will do the interaction between the UV rays. What it will do? It will do the interaction. Interaction. So interaction between the UV rays. What are now the UV rays? UV rays are the rays that are coming from the sun to us. So ozone is being like produces in the stratosphere due to the interaction between the UV rays. So ozone is like ozone. Now basically now we will be talking about the ozone layer. Now for example, ozone is being formed. We have formed the ozone now. So due to that, ozone layer is being formed due to many molecules of the oxygen. We have found the layer. So the layer is now being found. So where this layer is present, it is like 30 to 6 miles above the earth's surface. Okay, above the earth's surface it is present in the stratosphere. As I told you, stratosphere is the layer of the atmosphere, so it is present 30 to 60, you can say, miles above the earth's surface. So it it decreases the quality. What this ozone layer will do, it always protect the earth. Okay, it will protect us from the dangerous substances. For example, the substances, for example, like our sun rays. Sun rays have the UV rays, infrared rays. So those rays are very harmful. So what this layer will do, it is a blanket. It is a blanket. Let me draw here. This is our earth, and over here this is the ozone layer. Okay, and here this is the sun. It could be more better. I don't have blue over here, but this is the sun, for example. Sorry, this is the sun. So the rays of the sun are coming here, over here. The rays of the sun are coming over here, the infrared and the UV rays. So these rays will directly go to this earth now, and it will cause a lot of dangerous, like it is a very dangerous and cause a lot of danger to our skin, and it cause a lot of diseases. So that is why what this protective layer will do, it will reflect that. Okay, but sometimes these these will be coming to our as well. These rays will be coming to ours. We'll discuss that later on this video. So now let's have a look that it was just an intro of what is ozone and how the ozone is formed. So we know that it protects us from the dangerous rays like infrared and UV rays that are released by sun. Okay, so now let us see ozone depletion. Now what is the meaning of the depletion? Depletion means diminished. Diminished means like something is very less in quantity, or like you can say whole. So in our words, in this ozone word, ozone depletion. So basically depletion of the ozone means like the hole in the ozone layer. It is the protective layer, and that hole is like occurring in that layer. So that is why we say that this is the ozone depletion. So what is like how this depletion is occurring due to many of the first reason is that chlorofluorocarbon. So we'll see, like I am not writing the full, but as we know that, let me give you the small review that ozone is made by the three atom of the oxygen, and it is the allotropic form of the oxygen. Allotropic form means the copy, like it is allotropy means एक चीज़ से बहुत सही चीज़ निकालना, means we have the carbon. Okay, this is like something not related to this topic, but I am telling you, carbon, we have many forms of the carbon. We have the form of the like carbon in the form of the graphite. Okay, carbon is in the form of diamonds. So this is what the allotropy means many forms of one thing. So that is why here the ozone is the allotropy of the carbon. So the essential condition that is destroying our ozone layer is the chlorofluorocarbon. So basically, if I would ask that where these chlorofluorocarbons are used, so basically they are used in our refrigerator. They are used in our refrigerators, our air conditioner. It's a type of a very not good gas. It is like destroying one gas. So that is why. Let's see how this is destroying our ozone, how it is depleting our ozone. So due to like the chlorofluorocarbon is leaking in somehow in our atmosphere. It leaks somehow in our atmosphere nowadays. Okay, so the bond between C and C, L bond, as I told you, this is the bond. The bond is in C, chlorofluorocarbon. ठीक है, chlorofluorocarbons are broke by this UV light, and resulting, what will be the result of this? So the result of this will be the free radicals of the chlorine, and those free radicals of the chlorines are very very harmful. Let's see how the single free radical of the like this chlorine can produce can damage many of the molecules, or you can say atoms, millions of the ozone molecules. So you can see like how you can see ozone is now depleting. Okay, this is how the ozone is depleting. That is why it is like depleting. And if I talk about the effects of it, so effects are very simple, that the UV rays that was coming to us in a very clear form, in a very protective form, so now it will be coming us directly. Everything will be coming, UV rays will be coming to us directly. It will not be filtered. Every of the particle or the gases will be entering in our earth, and that will destroy the temperature, increase more warm, like the warm temperature. So that is why, and it can cause skin cancer. because like the sun rays are not a very, it is the sun rays are good in a amount, in a sufficient amount, but the more you will take, it will destroy of course it will cause the reaction in our body, especially in our skin. You might have seen the burning sensations in your skin. So like the if the ozone will get thinner, so it will cause a lot of malaria, because it is said that uh, it can cause a lot of illnesses, you can say illness, and it can destroy the food chain. Okay, destroy what? It can destroy the food chain. So this is how like it can affect a lot. It can destroy the life of the every animal. The life of the animal will get disturbed. Animal will be coming out of their houses due to the warm. So that is why.